Let's look at this question. Two cyclists, Arjun and Bhim, started towards O from P and Q respectively along the path shown below in opposite direction. If somebody started from P, somebody started from Q. This guy went this way, this guy went this way. They met for the first time at 9 a.m. at O. So they met here at 9 a.m. At this moment, they reversed their directions but maintained their respective initial speeds and met for the second time at 10:30 a.m. This way and this way. Say they met here at 10:30 a.m. Okay. Following which, Arjun reached O. Arjun reached O for the second time 75 minutes after Bhim reached O for the second time. If Arjun's speed is k times that of Bhim, find the value of 24k. Okay. Now, in this case or any TSD question, the most important thing you have to take care of is which parameter is constant. Here, from 9 to 10:30, they are traveling one full track length cumulatively. So if I take speed of Arjun as A and speed of Bhim as B, in they met at 9, then they meet at 10:30. In 90 minutes, they have traveled full track length, and also the time taken by Arjun to cover the entire track length at his speed is 75 minutes more than time taken by Bhim to cover the entire track length. This is what is known to us. Now all I have to do is replace this t in the expression below and get the relationship between a and b. So I get 90a plus 90b by a is equal to 75 plus 90a plus 90b. So this will translate to 90 plus 90 times of b by a is equal to 75 plus 90 plus 90 times of a by b. Okay, this 90 and this 90 gets cancelled. Even within these, this will become 6, this will become 5, this will become 6. So if I take b by a is equal to x, or I need Arjun speed is k times that of b. So let me take a by b is equal to x. Here I get 6 by x is equal to 5 plus 6x, or 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so I can break this down as 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Take 3x common, I get 2x plus 3 minus 2. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 by 3 or minus 3 by 2. X is the ratio of speeds, it cannot be minus, so this is impossible. So a by b is equal to 2 by 3, and this is what is k. So finally I have to find out the value of 24k. So 24 into 2 by 3 would be nothing but 8 into 2, 16. Answer to this question should be 16.